Hey everyone, this is just a quick and dirty video. I didn't want to set up my cameras. What is the #1 safety concern that you see out there with RVs? Comment below. I want to hear what you have to say, and we're going to build some videos based on your results. So comment below, what are the most outrageous and crazy RV safety issues that you see out there today? It's Halloween night. We've only had this channel open for 5 days, and we just hit over 1,000 subscribers. So we're well on our way to the success of this channel. I appreciate all your support. We're gonna get a lot more content out, especially a lot of it focused on RV safety, showing you a lot of what to do and what not to do out there on the roads. Because we here at RVs Gone Wild care about RV safety. Thanks again for subscribing. Check out all the videos, and make sure you comment below in this video. Thanks everyone.
Coming at you fast like a freight train ride. Another crazy, stupid RV design. Smoking.